Hello everybody. Today I am going to discuss an interesting topic of gymnosperm, which is known as coralloid root of Cycas sp. Cycas plant is a gymnosperm plant which lies in the division of Cycadopsida. The Cycas plant, also called living fossil, because this plant originated in the long past, and some of the primitive characters can be seen in this plant. Cycas plant still are cultivated for the ornamental purpose, and it, it has also some medicinal purpose. The cycas plant at the beginning, when it is seedling stage, possesses taproot system. Simple taproot system. The taproot system is a characteristic of the angiospermic plant, which possesses a strong midroot with some branched rootlets. So at the beginning, cycas plant possesses simple taproot system, but later on these simple root branchlets grows opposite to the gravity, and these roots are known as aziotropic roots. The aziotropic roots at its outer surface contain some pneumatophores, that is spore. Here the pneumatophore lies. By these pneumatophores, fungi and bacteria enter and travels down the roots, where it deforms the simple taproot system and looks like a coral. So this root is known as coralloid root. The coralloid roots looks like this. This is the structure of coralloid root, and the TS of the coralloid root seen in this picture uh, is divisible into the following parts. The zones of the TS of the cycas roots are such as the outer zone is known as peridium. This zone, the peridium zone, is the outermost covering of the cycas coralloid root. This zone protects the internal tissue structures from the external injury. This is the covering of the cycas coralloid root. Next to peridium, there is a zone of outer cortex. This is the outer cortex. It is a massive zone. In this zone, there is some colony of the algal cell. The algae which inhabited in the coralloid root are mostly cyanophycean algae. Example of the algae which inhabited in the coralloid root of cycas are Nostoc anabina. Below this algal zone, there is a zone of inner cortex. The inner cortex is inhabited by some fungi. Below this inner cortex zone, there is a large zone of endodermis and vascular bundle. The endodermis, next to endodermis, there is pericycle, and below pericycle, there is a zone of phloem. And at the middle of the vascular bundle, there is a xylem. Xylem is here triangular in structure. Some of the cells or xylems are big, some are small. The bigger xylem is known as protoxylem, and the smaller xylems are known as the protoxylem. Smaller xylems are protoxylem, and bigger xylem are known as the metaxylem. So, the anatomy of the rootlet of cycas possesses some external organism, that is beyond of the plant cell, algae, fungi, etc. By the living condition of these two outer organisms, that is algae and fungi, the roots become deformed and looks like coral in outer surface. So it is known as coralloid root. This note is very important for the exam in graduation, honors, and pass course exam also. This is a common question which is very common for the examination, important question. And the main function of the rootlets is what? And the rootlets, coralloid roots get infected by some bacteria, cyanobacteria, that means algae, Nostoc anabina, which helps them to absorb more nutrition than the normal taproot system. Thank you for watching.